On Wednesday, Acting Governor Mike Cruz sent a request to the Attorney General to provide an independent review of the procurement process for a $350,000 federal grant to be used for a public relations project at the Port Authority, which was won by contractor Parsons Brinkerhoff. Chief Prosecutor Phil Tydinko does confirm the AG's office is going to review the matter, but at this point, it's all preliminary.
Yes, they have sent us a letter requesting that we review it, given the issues that apparently are being raised. And so Pat Mason's Civil Division will be reviewing that procurement, and so we'll be making the necessary request to the agencies or entities or persons who may have documents or who may need to be interviewed in connection with it.
Concerns have also been raised that the governor's chief of staff, George Bomba, is using his power to shift those federal funds without putting the project out to bid to a subcontractor called M2D2, which is a company that employs Bomba's daughter-in-law and the port manager's brother. But Port Board Chairman Monte Mesa thinks that's sensationalism. Mesa says people cannot avoid working with relatives, especially on Guam, and that rules are already in place to ensure fairness. However, Mesa also says having the acting governor request an independent review from the AG's office is the right thing to do, so this issue can be put to rest.
I spoke with the acting governor and we discussed it, and he, said, well, we need to try to end this because this is not helping our master plan being addressed at the legislature, and also it doesn't give us a very good image in terms of the national level with the federal government when we're looking to apply for ARA funds of up to $50 million, and here we are having questioned the process.
Mesa mentions that the bigger picture is the approval of the port master plan by lawmakers, but so far little has been done by them to review their plans. He hopes the master plan is passed by the legislature in their August session because it will affect the port's role in the military buildup and the Guam economy. As for this issue with the procurement process, Mesa says there is none. It's just a distraction.
If somebody has an allegation, take it to the right forum, take it to court. Prove your point. But for us, this is just a distraction. We are looking at a monumental task that we've been challenged from the federal government to be prepared for what's to come. It's a positive thing in terms of building our economy, and yet people choose to look at the small things, and focus on that. I think there's some misplaced priorities here.